Right, I'm about to try the third 30 amp ESC that I bought from HobbyKing. These two on this motor have previously exploded as soon as I've connected them up to the battery. So I'm going to try again for the third time, see what happens. I'm using a Tyrannus system, his radio, and a zippy battery, 3S battery. Now I know these ESCs are not great, are not supposed to be used above anything above 30C, so we'll see what happens. Radio's on. Hopefully I'll try and connect this now, let you see what's happening. It's very difficult to connect. Here we go, plugging in now. See, that's plugged in. Let's see what happens this time. Before, as soon as I've touched the throttle, the ESC's exploded. So we've got contact on the receiver. Let's try again. Something seems to be working, but what, I'm not sure. Whoops, there it goes again. Once more. Right, it's on fire. I'm going to plug that quickly.